Alright, so here I have the huztl 3/4 wrap handle for the Stihl 044. Out of the packaging, it's okay. It looks like it's been a little bit crushed down here. I'm not sure if that's part of the bending process or if it was crushed in manufacturing or transport, and there's also a little bit of gouging out of the rubber there. That doesn't really worry me because it's going on a work saw and it's probably going to get gouged out a bit more. So got my Stihl 044. I've heard the best way is basically just to pull your saw through, line it up, get your torque wrench, So I'm in the middle of installing this wrap handle. Two things I noticed. The welds up here don't seem really great quality. And also, it's actually not fitting. It's the wrong shape. I'm not sure if it was bent out of shape during shipping or what, but this whole arm here is sitting probably about, I don't know, 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters too far up. And when you go to push it down, it's at the wrong angle. So either that's a manufacturing flaw or a problem that's occurred in transport. But then also, once you do get it down, you'll have the bottom screw hole doesn't, even if you do push it all the way down, neither of the holes match up and it's sitting at the wrong angle. So I'll chuck some photos in here to show that, because that'll probably show it better than video. And so just to see if I was just putting it on wrong, I got two side ones in, and now, as you can see, the top one doesn't match up, and that's really obvious. So I'm gonna get some photos of this, send it off to huztl and see what they have to say for themselves, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, now on a more positive note, two things from huztl that do work. The little carburetor adjustment grommet that goes on the Stihl 044, I like that more than the Stihl one. The Stihl one's a hard plastic, that's a rubber, and that just fits in there a lot nicer. And this tightening knob for the back of the air filter cover, that works well too. So huztl's about even Stevens at the moment for good and bad, but we'll see how we go.